Hey guys, welcome to our next video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite bases that I've been striving to get for the longest time. Today, we are going to unbox it together and install it together. Keep on watching. Okay, to create 8 by 8 foot wall, we needed 4 different strips of the flowers. But what I love about this company that they give me a lot of extra flowers in case some of those flowers fall off during my installations or after several installations, so I can easily patch it up. Now let's turn them around and I will show you how you guys actually join those lanes and put it like in one piece wall. As you can see, it is very easy to connect them, but now I'm going to unzip them again and piece by piece put it on a pipe and tray base. And then as soon as I hang them, I'm going to zip them again from the back to create one piece. Now let's match balloons to our wall. I have Baby Pink by Tuftex. Here I have Purple Orchid by Sempertex. And this one is the Canyon Rose by Tuftex. And here is the result. And here you have it, you guys. I hope you love this wall just as much as I do. Special thanks to Rose Morning, who collaborated with us for this amazing video. I hope you guys enjoy amazing discount they're offering. I put that in the link below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out the future videos, and like this one, of course. I will see you in the next one.